How to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. Let's get started. First up, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the chat section. Now, in order to get access to your Marketplace messages, click on this bar options given at the top left corner. Then, select the option of Marketplace. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're going to find all the list of your Marketplace messages. Now, you can head over to any of the messages that you want to delete. Just press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of delete. Delete this entire conversation. Click on delete. And just with that, the conversation will be deleted. By applying the same process, you can delete other conversations as well. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear how to delete Facebook Marketplace messages. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.